Six Sigma is a data-driven methodology used to eliminate defects and improve quality in business processes. Let's look at how it works. At its core, Six Sigma is about precision. It aims to reduce variation so that almost every output meets quality standards. A process at Six Sigma level produces only 3.4 defects for every 1 million opportunities. It is incredibly strict. The industry standard for process improvement follows the DMAIC acronym, guiding teams from the initial definition to long-term control. People often confuse Six Sigma with Lean. While Six Sigma targets variation, Lean focuses on stripping away waste to speed up production. This chart shows how moving from a 1 Sigma process to a 6 Sigma process drastically reduces the number of errors produced. The philosophy behind these methods is that quality becomes a habit when you consistently measure and refine your inputs. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more basics on business and finance.